Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Ethereum daily update. We are going to see the next price target. So, of course, before we can continue, don't forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see what Ethereum has done. So right here we had a triangle. Personally, I believe that this would be a bullish pennant because it came after an uptrend. However, Ethereum had some other plans. You can see that we are closing below, but not yet. We haven't closed below this pennant, actually this triangle yet, and it could be the case that this is still a bullish pennant because this could be a fake out and we go higher. However, I will go with the most probable scenario that this was a symmetrical triangle, a regular triangle, and we broke down. So what is next for Ethereum? Where we can go? Can we go even lower? Well, this could be the case. However, for BTC, we need to close below the 23.8k. If we close below the 23.8k, BTC is going all the way further down. Okay, so perhaps if we close below this line, this will be pretty bad for BTC. And that means that we are going to collapse right here and to go further down. Now, what's the case for Ethereum as well? If we cannot go down and we cannot close below the 23.8k for BTC, then Ethereum is going probably to get inside this triangle, make it a bullish pennant, and then go upwards. However, the most probable scenario, as we talked about, is now that we broke below, that we are going to go retesting the 1740 and 1736. Let's go to Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. I tell you right now to be extremely careful out of it because I think that these continuous bearish RSI divergences will play out and eventually we are going to see a correction going on. So I want you to be extremely careful with Ethereum. Extremely careful. Right now for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, I think that for the next weeks we are pretty good and fine. Okay, so here I was wrong in my prediction a few weeks ago that we would stay below this line. You can see that we found support pressure right here, but at the end of the day for the next few days it doesn't look so incredibly good and I want you to be extremely careful. Also, we can still have a fake out closing above this line right here, the bottom trend line that made us close below right there and Ethereum crashed down. But at the end of the day, we will go with the lower time frames that Ethereum against Bitcoin chart is not so bullish. Let's go to Ethereum against USDT chart right here. I'm expecting more correction coming in, especially if Bitcoin closes below the 23.8k. 1742, 1736 will be the targets for Ethereum against USDT. Okay, and as for BTC against USDT chart right here, you can see that it is trying to pump a little bit, but in the end of the day, we are not so bearish right now. We're not so bullish, sorry. We are standing between 50-day main and the 20-day main, the 1 hour frame. We want to see in this 4 hour frame if we can close above. If we can close above the 23.8k, then I'm thinking that BTC is good. However, most probable scenario is after we got rejected from the 24.2k, we are going down. This will just bring Ethereum further down into the next support levels of 1736, 1742, and so on. Okay, we are going to go further down into the next price targets. Okay, and we could go even lower. Maybe we will be going down, for example, into the 1.7k. I need you to be extremely careful with Ethereum, with trading, anything right now. At the end of the day though, Ethereum is not still bearish. Okay, we have one huge support level coming in, this one of the 174 that we talked about. If we manage to hold this, then I'm assuming that we can go even higher, although as we talked about, you need to be extremely careful with anything you're going long right now because BTC does not seem to have what it takes to go all the way up. I think that it is mostly bearish, to be honest with you, and I feel like BTC is going to have a correction going on. Unfortunately, this is the case. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.